I am the holy dreaming, breathing through you. Heartbeat to heartbeat, breath to breath, rising and falling. I am the psalm written in the body of your soul, the scripture folded deep within.
Dirt beneath my fingernails I dig in the hard earth of this ancient land. Through bog and bone I dig, scrabbling to remember. I bleed into this stony ground opening beneath my feet, raging against the sins buried in the womb of this harsh land. I dig to remember. Through bog and bone I dig, through grief and loss and death and shame I dig, my bare hands unearthing, scrabbling to remember. For we have forgotten. We have forgotten the place where prayer opens softly in the darkness of the body, humming with sweetness. The place where every cell and fibre of your being is ringing out an Angelus, an Alleluia chorus, an Ave Maria.
Squeeze your mortal body between the stones of tomb and womb. Cross the narrow chamber between the worlds. Carve your belonging in the dark landscape of my body. Cleave only to me, forsaking all others.